This is the practice test for fractions. Here we're working on number 18. And the problem states that Jim is on a low carbohydrate diet. He originally weighed 215 5/8 pounds. Now Jim weighs 193 7/8 pounds. How many pounds did Jim lose on the diet? And we're going to have to subtract to find the difference between these two weights. So we would take 215 5/8 and subtract from it 193 7/8. If you did this using your calculator, using the fraction key, you would end up with the answer of 21 3/4 pounds. And I've done it here by hand to show you how to do it. You would set it up vertically, as I've done, and you would want to subtract the fraction parts first. Now, we cannot subtract 7 from 5, so we're going to have to increase this fractional part right here. We do that by borrowing from the 215 and make it 214. And then the one that I borrowed, I'm going to add it on. I'm going to change it first to a fraction. 8/8 is equal to 1. And I change it to a fraction with 8 in the denominator because I have an 8 in this denominator here. And that means that now I can add the numerators of these two fractions. And when I do that, I end up with 13. 5 plus 8 is 13. And it's 13/8, 214, and 13/8. And now I can subtract the 193 7/8. 7 from the 13 is going to give me 6/8. And when I subtract the whole numbers, I get 21. The 6/8 can be reduced to 3/4. I take out a factor of 2 from the 6 and the 8, and I end up with my final answer of 21 3/4 pounds.